Hi, this is Mike from Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How To, and on today's video I'm going to show you how to do a reset or a full factory reset of your Xiaomi Mi Band 6. Keep watching to find out more. Okay, so if you've got your Xiaomi Mi Band, which looks something like what you can see actually in the image right now, and it's playing up, maybe it's not synchronizing or whatever it is, not tracking steps correctly, all that kind of usual stuff, then it's a very good chance you probably need to reset the band. If for some reason you're maybe selling it and giving it to someone else, or just sending it back and you don't want your personal information on there, then there are ways you can actually erase the device. You don't have to have any access to the mobile device it's actually synced with or anything. So if you've got this as a gift and someone has it paired with the previous device, or it's got settings on there you don't want, then it's pretty easy to reset. So let's first of all go back to our main screen. So if you're having problems with it tracking or not registering steps, that kind of thing, really simple to do. So from your main screen, just tap and then scroll down through, and you want your settings page. So go into settings, and then you can just scroll down through. You've got band display, D&D, etc., black screen, lock screen. And if you keep on going down, eventually you'll get to a couple of options there. So you've got reboot and factory reset. So obviously if you want to just do a reboot, then you can click on reboot. It'll say, do you want to reboot now? And you can click on the plus or the tick icon at the bottom there, and it'll go through doing its usual thing, doing a reset. Doesn't take very long at all, and that will basically refresh the heart rate sensor, the pedometer sensor, the hall sensors, all that kind of stuff. So again, if you're having problems with synchronization, then that's a really easy one to do. Second part of it, obviously, if you want to do a full factory reset, it's in the same menu, but we'll go through it again anyway, because obviously we have to get there. So from the main screen, just scroll either up or down. You can do it either way, it just goes around in a kind of rotation there. So just keep going until you find the little icon that says settings. There we go, there's that one there. So tap on settings. Again, you can scroll, I think you've got only scroll down on this one, so go down to where it says factory reset, click on factory reset, and it'll give you the information after the factory reset. You must pair it again with an app. If you want to do that, go for it, and you get a beep, which is a warning, and then it's going to go through now and do a full factory reset. So again, that is it. That is essentially it. It just wipes the data very, very easily, and this comes up with the menu that you'd see normally when you get the device out of the box for the very first time with the pair first option, in which case fire up the app on your phone and you can see how to pair the device. If you want to see how to pair that, then head over to the link in the video description, and there's some information and also a video on how to pair the device. So that's been how to either reboot or to factory reset your Xiaomi Mi Band 6 if you're getting problems. I've been Mike, this is Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How To, and hopefully we'll catch you in the very next video. Thanks for watching.